You need to stop on there and then that goes up in the air.
Yeah, that's a great present, you guys.
This is the actual stomp rocket. The one we had was not the stomp rocket.
What this is? This is the monkey.
Okay, then here, you better open that one next, Denise, or Nicholas is going to have a heart attack. Look at that beautiful mantis.
Thank you. Did you say thank you? That's awesome.
Nate. It's a mantis. It's a mantis. Here. Oh, what's that? Another rocket theme.
Open that one.
Wait a minute, he's not opened here yet. God, you guys.
Oh, that's cool.
Jeez.
Is that a bug sucker? It's a bug sucker!
Cool. It's for catching bugs and looking at them.
Oh, wow.
Dude, this catches bugs so you can look at them.
That is really cool.
I please.
It's vacuum powered so you can just suck them
No,
right
you
in.
can't open
Be a
it.
bug
Sorry,
whisperer.
Nick.